I'll be showing you how to reduce your Shopify logo size. I'll first be showing you how to reduce the appearance size, so how large it is in the header of your Shopify store. I'll also be showing you how to reduce the file size in case that's what you're looking for as well. So let's start by reducing the appearance of it. Maybe it's too big in your header and you want to make it smaller. So what you want to do is go to your Shopify dashboard, and from there we'll open up Online Store in the left-hand side. Themes should open up automatically, and under Themes we want to head to Customize. This is going to open up the Shopify theme settings for our store, and we can go and customize the logo from there. So I can see my logo here is probably a little too big for this header navigation. I want to reduce the appearance size. What I can do is go to the left-hand side under Theme Settings. Now I'm using Shopify Dawn's theme. This should be similar for most other Shopify themes as well. You want to expand the logo section under Theme Settings, and here I can see the desktop logo width. And this is what we want to pay attention to, is if I drag this down to, let's say, 60 pixels, it's going to reduce that size there. Now, if I click on mobile in the top right, I can also see that even though it says desktop logo width, it is going to apply for the mobile version as well. I can easily test that out by expanding it. Let's say it's 160 pixels. It's going to greatly expand that. So I'm going to drag that back down to 60. And now I've adjusted the logo size on how it appears in my Shopify store. So overall, I think that looks a lot better. Let's move on to the second step, and that's going to be reducing the actual file size. This is better for loading your store, as the image size is going to be smaller and it's not going to take as much time to load, helping with your overall site speed. Note, you should be optimizing just about every image you upload, including product images and banner images, but your logo should be included in that as well. So the way we're going to decrease the actual file size is to use a site called tinypng.com. And it's going to reduce the file size here by selectively decreasing the number of colors in the image, meaning fewer bytes are required to store the data. The effect is nearly invisible, but it makes a very large difference in the file size. So all you want to do is just select the logo you've downloaded to your computer. To note, you should have downloaded that. If you can't find it, you can easily access it under Content in your Shopify dashboard under Files, and your logo should be uploaded in here. I can see mine is right here. You can then go and select the file on my computer, and I can see it's now been uploaded, and it's gone from 8.2 KB, which really isn't very large, to 3.9 KB. And so that's a 52% decrease. So you just want to download this and then re-upload it to your Shopify store. So that's how you decrease the file size. Or I want to say that if you've ever tried to figure out how much money your Shopify store is making, you should have been using our sponsor Profit Calc instead. It's the one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, so you can see how profitable your store is in just one click there. It's going to give you a ton of different details, analytics, and metrics, so you can make smarter business decisions. It's going to link seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok, as well as many other cost of goods sold options. You can find it in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and looking for this logo in the top left. There's also a link in the description below where you can access the app listing directly. Both of those get you a 15-day free trial where you can test drive everything for yourself. But in conclusion, those are two different ways to reduce the Shopify logo size of your Shopify store. So one is reducing the appearance width, and the other one is reducing the actual file size. I hope this video helped answer your question. If you enjoyed the video, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.